Hey, it's just Sew Trish, and it's a mom swap. Alright, so I'm doing my best. I'm having one of the moments where it's really a hard day to video. It's kids galore. They're making pizza. Anyways, so I'm so excited because it is a mom swap. So this is another mom swap. This is actually the third mom swap that is done. That is organized by Rachel from Day to Day Joys. So let's make sure I cover everything. Cover everything you need to know. I have a lot of fun doing this. My Gmail working. There it is. I love doing these swaps. It's a lot of fun putting stuff together and then finding, it's secret. So you go in and you agree to do it, and then you get assigned somebody, and then somebody else gets assigned you, so you have no idea like what to expect. And then I really enjoy, I've had a good time. So last time I had Michelle at A Common Life, and then this year I had Shalise at SodbusterLiving, which was a lot of fun. And I know Shalise, so it was it was just neat and fun to put together what I put together, and with the style and the things she likes. And it helps because I know her well enough to know what she likes. So definitely go make sure you check out her video. I'm gonna have her channel down below. Alright, so this is the third homeschool box swap. If you're new to it, or okay, so this is my second time doing it, and I enjoyed it so much last year. In fact, I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately. It's just been really crazy busy, but it's so fun doing these. I'm like, I could commit to getting this video done. The budget is $25. So I'm gonna tell you who my box is from. I have my box right here next to me, but I sent mine to SodbusterLiving Shalise. And I'm going to put both the channel that was sent to me and the channel I sent to down below. And you're fixing to find out, because I absolutely love this channel. And at the end, I'm going to remind you at the end too, but I'm going to tell you now. Make sure you go check the playlist, which I'll have down below. I'll try to put it at the end of the video, of all the other homeschool mom box swaps, because that's what makes it fun. Okay. So my box, my husband's like, what'd you order? I go, that's not an order. That is a mom box swap. It's just an Amazon box. So I'm excited because my box is from the Kreke family. Juliet, the Kreke family. And it is adorable. Look. Oh my goodness. I wish I would have done this good wrapping with Shalise, but I didn't. This is so cute. All right, so I love it. All right, let's see. So Julie, look, she did my name. Oh, it's like she knows we're so old school. I first discovered your channel years ago before I thought of beginning the YouTube journey myself. You are one of the moms who inspired me to think maybe I could do this too. Oh, thank you for taking the time to encourage others while you share your story. I had fun filling this box with things just for you. Pretty additions for your planner. Supplies to get thoughts out of your head and onto paper, something to hold your favorite beverage, and some help for cooling off while you're doing your editing work. It's hot here in Missouri, so I can't imagine how it must feel to be in Florida. I pray that the Lord would greatly bless your family and bring good fruit from your faithful efforts this school year. Love from a fellow mom in the trenches, Julie. Oh my goodness, isn't that adorable? I love the way she signs her name. Love it. And I mean, it's just a piece of paper. It feels like, honestly, it feels like a piece of watercolor paper, but it just feels so magnificent with her beautiful handwriting. All right. Are you excited?
I wonder what it is.
I wonder what she says.
What a mom box is.
What a mom box is. She's like, what's a mom box? It's a box for me. All right, so should we go with the biggest stuff or the littlest stuff? Yeah, they're all wrapped. Like, this is my favorite color.
I wonder what it is. Oh.
You wonder? And then
Okay,
there's another
I'll
one.
shoot.
Oh, hold on, slow down.
That one.
You say that one first? Or,
Yeah.
Look how pretty they are. Aren't
That
they
one.
gorgeous?
What? That one.
Wait. Oh, this one's heavy. There's one more there.
A mug, that's a mug.
Ooh, this one
it?
feels like a book. I should flip it over. Look at that.
Open this one first. It's probably a mug.
You think it's a mug?
Yes, I think it's a
It's gotta
mug.
be a mug. It's gotta be a mug. Alright, so let's see. I had to take a picture there so I had a thumbnail. Alright, this one, it's got to be a mug. I love getting mugs. Ooh, it's got a good shape to it. And look at the little yarn. So I thought this was twine at first, but this is yarn. So adorable. Alright,
Your favorite
oh,
color.
my favorite color. Look at that. That is so pretty. Like, feel the texture.
Whoa, that is.
Oh, I like the shape too. That's a good shape of a cup.
Now it doesn't look like a mug.
A mug.
But the cup makes it like that.
I love it. Isn't it cute? Okay, gotta do the book next. I assume this is a book.
Made in China.
Alright, more ribbons. I wrote on my one, I was like brown paper packages, you know, wrapped up in string. So it's but I love it. Mine came up wrapped up in string. I love it. Look how pretty this is. Oh, the Lord stood with me and gave me strength. 2 Timothy 4:17. I can't even read. I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh, look at the gold edging. Oh, love it.
I wonder
Love
what
it.
that is.
Shh. Slow down. Slow down. Nice, right?
It's like Christmas in July.
It's like Christmas in July. I know, but we'll post this in August. I know you'll have to wait. Wait.
But it's in July.
All right, let's see. What do we have?
A panel. Stickers.
Oh, this is cool. Look at that. Start today. High priority, later, in progress. Oh, I like that. Is it sticky? No, I think it's just a list pad. Oh.
Yeah, it's a list pad.
These are like totally in my Amazon box to buy. I almost bought these at oh my goodness, I'm so excited about these. So they're like they're sticky notes and tabs. Okay, opening. Oh my goodness, I can't. And they're in that like this really cool. I didn't even know this. Look, they come in this like really cool thing. And then see. Oh, and look, you can. I guess you can pull them apart and get to the other colors. This is so cool. I'm so excited. All right, that's my red tag. At first I thought it was Avery, but maybe that's why I couldn't find him for a long time. Maybe I didn't pay attention.
Ready tab. It's
Ready tab.
REDITAB.
Ready tab. That's right. That's right.
Color pencil pen.
Pens. You should see her face. She's like
I don't know what's
ballpoints. I love it.
it went very exciting. Gas. I don't know what's next.
What's
No.
And then it's
To me, that's to me.
excited.
But it's mine. So it's.
mind blowing.
Oh, I didn't get this one untied well. There we go.
Ooh.
Dun, dun, dun. I love all the tissue paper. Oh, I love these. I have these. These are my favorite. Like, they're donuts. The reinforcings. I love those. Look at these, though.
Ooh, those are nice.
160 stickers. She believed she could. Planner stickers. Oh, my gosh. All right, so see. Can you see them? See. Can you see them now? I'm gonna have to take. I gotta take them out because you gotta take them out. You know.
I'm done.
She's done. Oh, that's a. Is that no? That's not a sticker. All right. So you have.
Anything else you want, Fiona?
Stay humble. Work hard. Be kind. Excuse me. I have to go and be awesome.
Yeah, it's not done yet.
So then there's. If not now, when. Follow your heart. I know, they're in and out of the house. Small house living. Enjoy the little things. No limits. So I feel like a kindred spirit with Julie because they live in a tiny house and there's more of them than us. Look. I love it because they're all different. So it's not like, I thought it was all like a couple of versions of the same page, but they're not. This is phenomenal. So they live in a tiny house. I think they do it much prettier than we do. And kind of same thing. So I feel like such a kindred spirit with her. So I'm pretty excited. Pretty excited that I got Julie. So definitely make sure to go subscribe to her channel. They're just like right here. They're like, what's next? What's for us? All right. Oh, ooh. This is mine. So like, don't ever think it's not mine. This is mine. A desktop fan. I wonder if it plugs into your USB. Let's see. Yeah, it's a USB. Like you plug it into your USB and you get a fan. Oh yeah. You're so silly. She's so silly. Look at this. Look at this. Because it's hot in Florida. I bet. And she said it's hot in Missouri. But it's hot in Florida. Look at that. I don't know how it stands. What am I missing? Was this? Oh, like this. So you can set it.
What type of plug is it?
It's a USB.
Oh, like
Wait, so
Yeah.
plug into that? Oh.
No, plug into mine. Oh, she's like, oh. She's trying to snatch my stuff. Okay, here we go. Last one.
That's your present. Oh, don't it. Your present.
Last one. Ooh, this one feels like something fun. What is this? Oh. Ooh. Oh.
What that is? It's a jelly split stand.
It's a stand. So one side's chalkboard. One side's... You should see her... Show him your mouth. So she's like... How cool is that? I don't... Oh, man. Do I put the menu? Do I put, like, copywork? I don't know. What would you use this for? I'm, like, trying to figure out, like... Okay. I have to clear a space off and give it, like, permanent real estate. Wow. Oh, but look. I wonder... Can you hang it? Just hang it. This thing is so cool. I love it. Oh, it's got a little piece of plastic that protects this. How awesome is that? I am loving my goodies. Loving my mug. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. So, thank you so much, Julie. Oh my goodness, I just had the best time purging, watching so many of your videos. And I have to say, I feel like we are like kindred spirits on many fronts. I got an extra 200 square feet, but I swear yours is set up way better than mine is. But, I don't know, that would be a whole nother discussion, what I would do different in this tiny house. But it's getting to the point of the other houses coming so quickly that it's not really worth the effort. Just kind of living with it is just fine enough. So anyways, remember to go hit the playlist and go see what all the goodies all the mamas got. Definitely go check out Julie's channel. Go tell her I sent you. Huge thumbs up to Julie. She definitely did an amazing job. She has an amazing story going on with how they're doing life in a tiny house with more children than I have, and another one on the way. Number 8 is on the way. And then don't forget to go check out Shalise over at Sodbusters to go see what I sent her, and very handmade crafted stuff that I sent to her for the Mama Swap. And definitely go check out the playlist. That is probably somewhere over here. So if you haven't done so already and you stop by here from the other mom swaps, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I won't load you with videos. Sadly, I just won't. It's a busy life around here and I'm just keeping up. But I will talk to you soon and I will be with you. Talk to you then. Bye.